Welcome to our Electrical Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download these notes, you can visit our website electrical-engineering.app. This website is especially designed for electrical and electronics engineering students. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit, we have to determine its equivalent resistance. Solution: first of all, we will take this circuit. Now here we can clearly see this 100 ohm and this 100 ohm are connected in series. So here let's draw it. Now here this 100 plus 100, this will be 200 ohm. Now again we can redraw this circuit like this, and we can replace these two resistors by a single resistance of 100 ohm. So let's replace. Now here it will be 200 ohm. We are replacing these two resistors of 100 ohm with a single resistance of 200 ohm. Now here we can see this 200 ohm, 100 ohm and 50 ohm, these are connected in parallel. So let's solve this. It will be 200 ohm parallel with 100 ohm parallel with 50 ohm. So this will be 1 upon 200 plus, let's solve it like this. It will be R, let's say it is Req. Now Req is equal to, or 1 upon Req is equal to 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 50. So if we solve this in calculator, it will be 1 upon 200, then plus 1 upon 100, then plus 1 upon 50. So it is equal to 7 divided by 200. 7 divided by 200. Now here, this is the value for 1 upon Req. 1 upon Req is equal to 7 upon 200. So therefore, Req is equal to 200 divided by 7 ohm. So this is the value for these three resistors. So again, what we can do, we can copy this circuit from here. So let's copy it. Now we can replace these three resistance with a single resistance of 200 by 7. So it will be 200 divided by 7 ohm. Now we can see this 40 ohm, 200 by 7 ohm and this 10 ohm are connected in series. So we can easily find the value of RAB. So RAB will be 40 plus 200 divided by 7 plus 10. So therefore RAB is equal to, it will be 40 plus 200 divided by 7 plus 10. Now this is 78.57. So 78.57 ohm is the value for RAB. So this is how we can solve series and parallel combination of resistors, and we can find the equivalent resistance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.